Oh, when you plug your USB and go straight in. And that was fucking awesome.
Fuck!
Alright, so we're doing that.
You fucking stupid!
Because
fuck me dead!
Over the holidays, that my few of my nephews and nieces have now got children, and I high-fived a baby, and I just went, I missed out. There was no high-fiving when
Good job! Yeah, good job.
Fuck with!
Yeah, tell him. You gotta be shitting me! Plenty of room, mate.
Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Elizabeth Holmes as mold breaking innovators. So let's talk.
A bit of a death wish there, mate. Yep. What could possibly go wrong? Hey, bloody hell.
Drive through your boot.
Oh, he came in between the four-wheel drive and me.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's why the four-wheel drive put his lights up.
Doesn't know where he's going. Jesus Christ.
Let's just stop in the middle of the road so we don't stop everyone else from going. Fucking idiot.
But you're not clearing anything like that.
Oh.
You're not clearing 2.0.
Yeah, no, we don't have the thing on the roof.
Oh, okay.
Fucking Gronk. Fucking Gronk head.
I need you like a heart needs a beat, but it's nothing new. Yeah, I loved you with the fire red, now it's turning blue. And you say, sorry like the angel, heaven let me think was you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
Relax and take it easy all summer. Easy 80s hits.
on, you fuckwit! Go!
You're a first-class cunt.
You reckon it'll be open?
5 Filipino, 2 large strawberry shakes, cherry coke, 1 super-sized McDonald's fries with extra ketchup and mayonnaise, and 2 pints of strawberry ice.
You're a
He's
fucking
not gonna get
you
through that.
dumb
It's
cunt.
ridiculous. I'm so badly beaten
Everyone's
up
huge
by what I've done to myself the night before. If I was to be put to rest by
And why am I beeping for you, you fuckhead?
you want to find yourself in that state where you're not angry about leaving.
Listen, motherfucker, let me make this clear. I've had your fucking poetry up to here. Your tender recollections and wistful reminisce. Excuse me, Mr. Shakespeare, while I go have a piss. Somebody start a fight or something. I said somebody start a fight or something. If I want to check off, I don't want a polo neck and borderline some high-strung bitches anorexiac. But I'm wearing just a t-shirt, getting off my tits. The chicken with a barker and my life is full of shit. Somebody start a fight or something. It's somebody start a fight or something. Somebody start a fight or something. Somebody start a fight or something. I'm not a violent man, but I'll give no guarantee. When I'm faced with symbolism and onomatopoeia, oh, there's a fucking artist, let me get my stick. You want a fucking beat, then come on, then go sick. Start a fight. Start a fight. Start a fight. Start a
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker.
You're a yarn or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a yabba bub. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker.
fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
I wonder if Rachel mind if I got a carton of beer. Just keep some in the fridge. Look at this, mate. On a quad going through a red light. You see it?
There's many reasons why, you know, we should be... Look at this guy.
Oh.
Oi!
Which is a great tune.
Oh, will you
yeah,
fuck
so,
right
cool.
off?
I thought it looked cool.
Seriously?
It sounded like David Byrne, which doesn't sound like the
fucking
kind of
wet.
singers you hear necessarily on television nowadays.
What a
People
fucking
seem to comment on
knobbing.
that, but it's David Byrne, so like...
You have a way with words.
Holy shit.
You stupid woman! Out of all that money?
And probably 35 cents.
Fuck, you're fucked. Oh, fuck, man, watch!
Wow. We might want to check on Bella.
My mother said that I never should play with the naughty, rude girls in the wood. Their giggling talk I could never understand, and that's why I fell in love with my right hand. And that's why I'm a wanker, and it does me good like it bloody well should. I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pud. I was 25 years old before I was kissed, and then I found that I preferred a swift one off the wrist. It's cheap and convenient, you can't catch PD. It's available at any time, and it's absolutely...
That's why I don't want to go anywhere, because traffic's just freaking horrible.
Okay, well, we're not in a hurry.
It's like a nerd.
What?
Oh, now that guy is annoying. Oh, right.
I mean, where is this guy going? Like,
Holy
seriously?
Oh, he's going to Gun City. So you can just drive wherever
I
he
need to go to
likes.
Gun City.
So you can just drive wherever
I
he
need to go to
likes.
Gun City. Fuck.
Or 20 are they fantasy figures, do you think?
Yeah, probably. I don't see
Jesus
this
Christ.
happening anytime soon, and probably just continue.
Fuck, here we go. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck!
You don't wanna fall, you don't seem to give two shits, cause you're just too cold, baby. We could have it all, neither one of us would budge, cause we can't be wrong, baby. Folding up your arms, closing up your...
Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train, rolling up a choo-choo lane.